Hello friends. When we use multiple operators together in Python, an important question arises. Which operator will execute first? This concept is called as operator precedence. So in this video, we will understand a step-by-step how Python evaluate the expression using clear and practical coding example. Let's right now see what is exactly the operator precedence. Operator precedence means the order in which operators are executed inside an expression. Python does not calculate the operation or expression randomly. Every operator has a fixed priority level. Operators with a higher precedence are executed first. Then after, operator with a lower precedence will get executed after the higher precedence operators. So in this way exactly the operator precedence works in Python. Let's right now see some of the important rules in operator precedence. In Python, the parenthesis bracket have the highest precedence to get executed first. After that, it comes to the exponential, multiplication, division, floor division, and modulus operation, followed by using the addition and subtraction. Then it comes to the comparison operator, and then it comes to the bitwise operator. And at the last final stage, it evaluated by using the logical operators. So this how sequentially it get flow from top priority to the less priority. The operator precedent works in Python. Let's right now see the arithmetic operator precedence. I have shown a small code of snippet for the same. We'll evaluate this explanation in detail, just bear with me. Python first evaluated 2 raised to the power 2 because exponential has the highest precedence over here. So that why it get calculated first. So whatever the result like here 2 power 2 becomes 4 and then that 4 will get evaluated in the respective manner. Then after the exponential precedence is happen or calculated, then the next operator is multiplication that has a less priority after the exponential precedence. So it will get multiplied with the result of uh, exponential operation like 3 multiplied by 4 will give 12 in output to us. Then the third operator comes into the picture, that is a plus operation is going on here. Whatever the result we get calculated earlier, like till 12 value we get it, that 12 will get plus with the 5 and it gives a result as a 17 to us. So this how the arithmetic operator precedence works from higher priority operator precedence to the lower priority operator precedence using the arithmetical operators in Python. Now let's see and talk about the comparison and logical operator precedence. After arithmetical operation, comparison operator are evaluated. Logical operator also have some precedence, and operator precedence is higher than as compared to the OR operator precedence. And for the same, I have shown a small code of snippet over the screen. Just bear with me. I will explain the execution flow for this operator precedence. So I have write a value like a equal to 5, b equal to 10, and for printing the expression evaluation, I use the print function. Here I have used print a is less than b and a not equal to 0 or b equal to 5. So let me just try to explain to you right now how this expression is exactly working. First here, comparison operator will get evaluated. Then it will evaluate the a less than b and then not equal to 0. Then it will goes to the AND operation. It is evaluated afterwards. Then it finally goes to the OR operator. And when all the operation will go in this sequence, that's why the result will comes to the result as an true over here. So this is how exactly the comparison and logical operator precedence work in Python step by step. Let's right now talk about the bitwise operator precedence. Bitwise operators are evaluated after the comparison and before the logical operators. And for the same, I have shown a small code of snippet over the screen. Just bear with me. I will explain the expression, how it exactly works using the bitwise operator precedence. So first here I have like printed using a print statement 5 and 3 and or 2. Let me just try to explain the evaluation right now. First here, the bitwise AND operation is performed between 5 and 3. Then it perform the bitwise OR operation will get applied over here. Understanding this order is important to avoid the confusion and the mistakes that we do followed in the bitwise operator precedence. So this how in manner if we perform in works in Python exactly. Let's right now talk about the another important concept in Python, that is using parentheses to control the precedence of an expression. Here on the screen, I have shown a small code of snippet, that is using a print function. I am evaluating in round brackets 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Here I have used is the parenthesis bracket because in Python, if we want to evaluate any expression as per our convenience, then we can use the parenthesis bracket, and it has the highest priority to get evaluated first. So here in the expression, that 5 plus 3 is written in the parenthesis will get evaluated first, and then after it will get multiplied by 2, and that's how this expression will get evaluated as per our convenience and by using the precedence operators. Now friend, let's evaluate the complex expression step by step so that Python operator precedence is clear to us. I have already opened a PyCharm window over here and created a file which is named as precedence.py and put a comment over here as well. So let me just write a small code of snippet over here, and then I will explain the expression and the evaluation of the code snippet specifically. So let me just take an quick code over here, or write a code over here, like I'm putting a equals to 2, b equals to 3, and c equals to 4, and I'm putting the some expression over here. Then I will explain the detailed evaluation for the same. I'm using the print function. Then I'm putting like a plus b into c, which is exponents by 2, which is floor division by 2 minus 1. So see, I have like put a expression over here using the print function. Now let's talk about the how the operator precedence exactly works over here. So according to the Python point of view, the exponential operator has the highest priority to get evaluated first. So in this expression, the exponential operator is used over here. So this will get calculated first. Like, let me just put a comment, c power 2, which is like I am performing a exponential operator. Let me just put a comment over here, that equals to we know that we do have the value of c is equals to 4. So the evaluation will be 4 to the power 2, which is equals to 16. Okay. So as we have already calculated the exponential operation over here. After the exponential operation, the next priority is to the multiplication operator. So in this expression, the multiplication is operation happening like this. So let me just put a comment over here, like b into the evaluated expression that we get from the exponential output, that is 16. So, and the expression is multiplication over here, and the evaluation will be what the value of 2 over here, 3 into 16. Okay, so which is equals to, if I'm not wrong, is equals to 48. Sorry, not 38, 48. Okay, Now, once I solved the second precedence as well, that is multiplication after the exponential, now the third priority in Python expression is to the floor division. And in this expression, the floor division is happening here. So whatever the result we get from the multiplication, that is 48, will get evaluated with the floor division operation. So here, let's right now see it will be like 48 floor division by 2, and we are performing a floor division over here, and the evaluated expression will be 24 after the evaluation. Okay. Now after floor division, the next priority is to the addition and subtraction. So here we will just perform first the addition over here and then the subtraction. So let's just perform the addition first over here, like a plus 24, which is equals to 2 plus 24. Sorry, it's like the same one. Let me just in the simple way addition like we are doing, which is equals to 26. Now the last operation there is the minus operation. So that last will be 26 minus 1, which is equals to, and we are performing a subtraction over here, equal to 26. Let me just save the code. Now see, as we have already seen, from higher precedence to the lower precedence, if we go, then we get an result as an final expression will be 25 as an output. Let's see if we are correct or not over here by executing the code. If I execute the code, see, I got the same value which we evaluated from the higher precedence to the lower precedence point of view in Python. So this is how the operator precedence exactly works. So friends, today we deeply understood operator precedence and expression. This concept is extremely important for condition, loops, and complex logic. In the next video, we will learn more in-depth detail about control flow statements. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Python tutorial. See you in the next video.